3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. No, this isn't science fiction. It's the octopus, a creature so intelligent, mysterious, and alien that some scientists have even joked it might not be from Earth at all. But what makes this ocean dweller so strange? And could there be more truth to its alien reputation than we realize? Let's dive in. The octopus belongs to a group called cephalopods, which also includes squids and cuttlefish. But unlike anything else on the planet, the octopus seems to rewrite the rules of biology. It has 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to its gills, and 1 pumps it to the rest of its body. Its blood isn't red, it's blue, because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen, a trait that actually helps it survive in freezing, low oxygen depths. And then there's the brain, or rather, brains. It has 1 central brain and 8 mini brains, 1 in each arm. Each arm can taste, touch, and even make decisions independently of the main brain. If you cut off one, it can still move and respond for a short while. It's like having 9 minds working as 1 body. If that doesn't sound alien, what does? The octopus doesn't just survive, it thinks. In labs, scientists have seen them open jars, unscrew lids, use tools, and even solve puzzles designed for primates. One octopus in an aquarium famously escaped its tank at night, crawled across the floor, ate fish from another tank, and returned before morning, leaving no trace. Others have been caught squirting water at lights to turn them off, just because they were annoyed. And when scientists tried to give them toys to see if they could play, they did. It's intelligence with personality, emotion, and problem-solving, traits we rarely see outside mammals. So where does that kind of mind come from, in a creature so different from us? Here's where it gets wild. In 2018, a group of researchers published a controversial paper suggesting that octopuses might have originated from alien DNA, brought to Earth by comets or meteorites carrying frozen genetic material. It wasn't saying octopuses are literally from space, but that their genes evolved in ways so sudden and complex that some scientists joked, it's almost as if they came from another world. In fact, genetic studies show octopuses have more protein-coding genes than humans, and they can edit their own RNA, meaning they can rewrite their biology in real time to adapt to new environments. Imagine if you could do that, change your body's programming at will. That's not just intelligence, that's evolutionary wizardry. The octopus is a shapeshifter. With skin covered in thousands of chromatophores, tiny pigment cells, it can change color and texture in less than a second. It can vanish into coral, mimic rocks, even imitate other animals like lionfish, sea snakes, or flatfish. All without bones, all controlled by those distributed brains, a living neural network of flexibility and awareness. Scientists call it camouflage on steroids, but maybe it's something even more. A glimpse into how nature experiments with intelligence itself. Octopuses have existed for over 300 million years, before dinosaurs, before trees. They've seen Earth change in ways we can't imagine, surviving multiple mass extinctions, and yet they thrive, quietly, invisibly. No bones, no armor, just brains, adaptability, and patience. It's like they learned the secret to survival isn't strength, it's intelligence. Maybe the octopus isn't an alien at all. Maybe it's proof that the universe doesn't need to send life here, because the ocean already holds life that feels otherworldly. A creature that sees without eyes like ours, thinks without words, and feels the ocean like an extension of its own mind. When you look into the eyes of an octopus, you're looking at a completely different kind of consciousness, one that evolved along a separate path from ours for hundreds of millions of years. And that might be the closest we've ever come to meeting an alien. The ocean hides more mysteries than we've ever imagined. So if you love diving into the strange, the unknown, and the unbelievable, hit subscribe to Deep Drops and join us on our next journey beneath the surface.